Hi guys! If you can't tell already, my girls gave me an early Mother's Day present because it is Mother's Day and they gave me a makeover. Anyway, I've got a fun joke for you guys today. Okay, why is the computer so smart? Because it listens to its motherboard. Right? Yeah. We're going to be doing a fun craft today. Let's get started. Hi. So for this craft, I'm using a pair of scissors. I'm going to use 2 pieces of contact paper. And I'm going to use a sheet of black paper or cardstock, as well as cut strips of tissue paper. Now I've got a few different colors. The first thing I'm going to do is fold my black paper in half. And you can draw a heart if you'd like, or half a heart to cut out. I'm just kind of eyeballing it here. Now I've got a heart shape. Now I want it to be a heart border, so I'm going to fold it again and cut the interior of the heart out. If it is helpful, draw those heart shapes on to the heart. Now it's ready. So I'm going to take 1 piece of contact paper, lay it flat on the table, sticky side up, and put my heart frame in the middle. Now I'm just going to stick my strips wherever I want. You can overlap them, you can make a pattern with just certain colors, however you think. I'm just kind of going for it with this heart. My girls made so many hearts on the weekend, all different types of combinations and colors. It was a lot of fun. The key is to cover the entire heart with tissue paper. Make sure there's no white cracks or holes. Once it's done, it's time to add your second piece of contact paper. Smooth it out, make sure it's all stuck, and you can flip it over. Now what I'm going to do is trim with my scissors outside of the border. Now it's ready to go. As you can see, we made quite a few of them. What a fun Mother's Day craft. I hope you guys had a good time. We'll see you next week. Bye.